Okay, you guys, I have been obsessed with this juice all summer long, and you don't need a juicer to make it. This watermelon weighed in at 25 pounds. That's about the size of a 2-year-old. Make sure you rinse the surface very well because you don't know where it's been, even though you're not eating the outside. All you have to do is cut it open, and it may take a little bit of an effort because this one was huge. When you split it open, look for the black seeds. That lets you know that it's real and not hybrid. You can get fancy and dice it, or you can get messy like me and go at it with your hands. Throw it into a blender, and it does not have to be a high-powered blender, and blend it for about 30 seconds. Once you get done blending it, pour it over a bowl or a pitcher and make sure there is a mesh strainer so that you can catch the pulp. Use a spoon to speed the process and just move it around, and as you can see, the juice comes out effortlessly. Pour it into a mason jar or whatever you would like and add some lemon juice to it when you're ready to drink it, and you won't be disappointed. This big watermelon yielded me a little bit over 64 ounces.